Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Mix. In this video, I will show you how to enable HVCI in Valorant. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first issue can be your incompatible drivers. Your drivers should be all up to date. I have a new app. Maybe you have different, but you just need to go to drivers and look if there is some drivers that you need to download and install it. Also, you can do with Device Manager. On Device Manager, you just need to go to, as you can see here, on Display Adapters, right-click and Update Drivers, and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go to Search and write Regedit or Registry Editor here. Then you need to go to the following, basically a path. You need to go to a HQ local machine here. Expand this option. Then you need to go to another thing, System. Then you need to go to Current Control Set. Then you need to go to Control, and on Control, you need to go to Device Guard. We need to look for Device Guard here. Expand this option. Then you need to go to Scenarios, and then here you should see Credential Guard or Enforced Code Integrity. Right. And then here you need to, as you can see here, Enabled 1. Enable this and make sure value data is on 1. Apply the changes. Restart your computer. Look,